In today's video, we will look at 3 date functions that can be very useful. Today, now, and YEARFRAC. Sometimes we need to perform calculations involving dates. We will look at 3 date functions that can be very helpful. Our first problem is that we would like to be able to see the current date that is displayed in the workbook. So there are actually 2 functions that can help us with this. Today returns the current date. Now returns the date and time. So let's have a look at the now function first. Click in cell N1, type in equals, and then now tab. You will see it has an automatic bracket, and then you close the brackets. Although we will never put anything within the brackets for the now function, we still follow the syntax rules which state that a function name must be followed by brackets. So press enter and confirm that this is the same date and time with your computer. Another problem would be we need to work out how long each staff member has worked for the company. So we have their start date, and we now have a way of working out today's date. So all we have to do is subtract the start date from today's date. So click in cell G4 and then type in equals today, open brackets. It will automatically open the brackets once you tab, and then close the bracket minus F4, the start date or the date of hire, and then press enter, and you'll see that there is 3,784 days. So that's a very long time. So it's important to understand that arithmetic using dates. So it's correct, but it is not very helpful. So we could solve the problem by dividing the result by 365.25. But there is an easier way, and it is called YEARFRAC. This function returns the difference in dates in years. Click in G5, type in equals, then YE, then arrow down, tab. Note the prompts. First, we need the start date, which is the date of hire. And then, we need the end date, which is today. So don't forget the comma, and then type in TO, tab, close the bracket, and close the bracket for the YEARFRAC, and enter. So this is the difference of the two. You can see this is for the number of days, and this is the number of years. So we'll copy that, put it there, and then you now can double click the fill handle to copy it all down. There. The next thing that we need to do today is to get the date for the next review for each employee. So this is a year since the last review. So click on I4, type in equals, and then H4, the date of last review, plus 365, which is the number of days since the last review. Then enter. And now, double click the fill handle in cell I4 to get the date of the next review for each employee.